Welcome back to another tutorial for the Forza Horizon 5 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can display your in-game FPS on your screen within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Forza Horizon 5 on your device, and you may directly go into accessibility/settings from the main menu, or you may pause your game and go into settings from the campaign menu. Once you are inside the settings page, navigate to the video section, and here you will find the show FPS option. If the off option is selected, then you will not see your FPS count at the top right corner of your screen. So you can just set it to on and then save your changes, which will now start showing your FPS count at the top right corner. Make sure to save your changes by pressing the start button, or when you go back, you can also click on save and continue. After this, the FPS counter will be displayed at the top right corner of your screen. You can change this setting and turn it off at any point of time by following the same steps: pausing your game, going into settings from the campaign menu, and then from the video section, you may once again choose to have it disabled. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to display your in-game FPS counter on the Forza Horizon 5 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.